Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I made Dutch baby pancake. The ingredients are listed below. Start by making the batter by combining room temperature ingredients such as milk, egg, all-purpose flour, salt, vanilla extract, and sugar. Then mix it in a food processor until well combined. Next is to preheat the oven to 220 Celsius or 425 Fahrenheit together with the skillet, and take it out and put some butter. Make sure to swirl it around to evenly spread the butter, and then put it back again until it's fully melted. And once it's fully melted, add in the batter and put it back in for 20 to 25 minutes or more until it's cooked. Once you take it out of the oven, you will see that it's fully puffed up. It would deflate in seconds, and during that time you may add in some wedge of lemon by squeezing it to the pancake and followed by powdered sugar, and immediately served. Enjoy!